Hey guys, one of my first cooking videos, I actually think it was the first cooking video I ever posted to my YouTube channel, was my perfect yellow hard-boiled egg. And you guys are so awesome. I love when you tag me with your pictures and you do perfect yellow, and it's just so much fun. It makes my day, so thank you. And you guys have been asking for a more recent version of that same video because you guys make it a lot. So here we go. I'm gonna just show you guys again because it's been a couple years since I first started posting. It's an oldie, but a goodie. And let's make it again right now. So first things first, you need a pot. Second, you need eggs. Okay, cool. So you wanna make sure that however big your pot is, by the way, you can do a small pot, you can boil one egg, like it doesn't matter, but you want to make sure they're a single layer at the bottom of the pot. In this particular pot, I'm going to do 9 eggs. So I'm going to do 9 eggs, single layer, bottom of the pot. We're going to cover the eggs with water till the water is about 1 inch above the eggs. High flame. We are going to get this to a rolling boil. So while we're waiting for our eggs to boil, I'm going to get my ice water ready. So I'm going to put it in, this is actually my Prepon kitchen glass bowl from my nesting bowl set, and my colander. So I'm going to get some ice water ready, and I'm going to put the colander right next to it in the sink. Okay, here we are. We have a rolling boil. It took a second, but we're here. So now when it's totally rapid boiling like that, we turn off the flame, cover it, move it to a different area, away from the hot burner, and then you want to set a timer for exactly 15 minutes, and you want to start it right away. Okay, our ice water is in the sink, so right when the time's up, we're gonna put these right in the sink, we're gonna cool them off, get the yolk to stop cooking, because that's what turns the yolks that weird gray color is when they're overcooked. Okay guys, the timer just went off, I grabbed my eggs. So next, okay, great. We're gonna let them sit in here for a couple minutes, get those yolks to stop cooking, and then we're gonna peel. Wash your hands, make sure your hands are all clean. So I peel them right over the water, and as I'm peeling them, I just keep dipping them back in, and the shell comes off super easily. And because we have these in this ice water, it should be pretty easy for you guys to peel your eggs. It helps get this little coating in there. There's like this film in there, and it helps pull it away from the egg. So the shell comes off easier. My daughter actually loves helping me peel eggs. And what's funny is I'll give her like a little stack next to me where she's peeling and then I'm peeling. And I'll look over and there's all these bites taken out of all of her eggs. She knows all about the perfect yellow. And I like to peel them pretty quickly. I don't let them sit in the water too long. Less than 5 minutes for sure. I usually only let them sit in the water for about 2 minutes before I start peeling. Because if you let them just sit in the ice water, they become really, really hard to peel. See, already when you get to the later eggs, that film in between the shell and the egg starts to cling back, and it gets a little bit harder toward the end. So you want to move with haste. So let me just wash my hands quickly. Let's take a look. There is no movie magic here. This is, oh my gosh, you guys, look at that yolk. Come on. Look at the yolk. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? That is perfectly cooked. Yay. Woo! I still get so excited. I've been making these for years. I still get so excited with the perfect yellow. Oh my gosh. Mmm. So good. Oh, you guys, these are so good. It's the little things, you know? Cheers to perfect yellow. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys soon.